Hey there, and welcome to my vlog. This is Dennis, Crosby's tool time. And the other day when I was in Lowe's, I was looking through the Kolbalt line of tools again, and my eye caught their 24 volt cordless high pressure inflator. Well, the other day when Charlie and I went to pick up a vehicle with my used dolly, I didn't check tire pressures on it. So when we got the vehicle up on it, guess what? My tires were almost flat. So I went to use my jumper box. Well, I remember my jumper box inflator didn't do a darn bit of good when I went to inflate my Escape when I had the flat tire issue. So I knew that wasn't going to get us anywhere. But Charlie actually had a little portable inflator that he had with him. So I couldn't pass this up this time. I needed to have my own. So here we go. We're unboxing it. This got a little compartment in the back with little inflators for basketballs, footballs, whatever. It looks like it's got a little another inflator for stuff that's got bigger inflator ports, and not sure what that thing's for. Oh, I wonder if that's actually going inside. Huh? I'm not sure. Sure what that one's for. Be careful because it goes all over the place. I don't think it's part of the tire inflator. It might be. Now disturb it. I can get it back in there. Okay. Well, it shuts right up. Okay. In the end, because that's your tire inflator right there. Like that. And I just noticed that I was walking around out back, and I noticed the tire on the Explorer is now flat. And this is a 20. This is the big battery. This is a 4 amp hour. I'll plug that in. See, press the power. Little digital display. And then looks like you've got a pressure target PSI. You can set this it's got a targeted PSI. You tell it what you want. How high will it go? We'll go to 120 PSI. Wow. Okay. Come back down about 40 because it's about, or 38 because that's standard on most vehicles. So we're going to find out. Does it sound like it runs? Okay. All right, let's go see what this thing will do. Okay, what you're looking at is my 03 Ford Escape that I've had sitting here for months because the subframe is shot on it. So I'm looking to get another one that I can use the parts out of. Let's see. Let's see. This PSI is in it. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, it's in. That's not good. Okay, as you can see, it's telling me how much PSI is in there. So it's pumping. Bouncing there. Right way around. It's actually going up. That's pretty cool. You can lay it down. It's got little feet on it. Or you can set it on the battery. That's pretty cool. See the tires coming up. Going at 6 PSI. More than 8 pounds of air in it. Check the pressure on a couple of other tires. Alright, I'm back. This is getting ready to go to 20 PSI. According to that. So I'm going to stop it. And I got my gauge here. Let's see how close it actually is. Oh, it's saying I got 20.9 in there. Let's see what's actually in here. 20. That's what my gauge says. It's actually correct. Yeah, 20 right on it. Well, I'm impressed. I purchased that for what's $35. Now we'll go ahead and let it go. Let's see if it shuts off at 38, and then I'll recheck it. I got that set for 38.7. Let's see if it shuts off. No kidding. Awesome. I'm impressed for a tool that actually technically is that complicated. Okay. Alright, let's I'm gonna check it on my gauge real quick. Okay, and the gauge went to 0. Come on, before I lose the air. Yeah. Yep, 2 degrees under 40. Well, I am impressed. Ain't that something? I like that. I'm impressed. For 38 bucks? Okay. 37.2. Yeah, I probably lost some air as you heard when I was undoing it. So, there you go. Alright. Well, here we go. I'm impressed. Because I'm tired of filling up my air can. Another thing is I got an air can. So then I got to fill up the air can to 100 PSI and then take it to whatever I'm doing. Fill it up, and of course it's going to even out. So you're going to have 50 in the tire, 50 in the can. If you only put 25 in the can, you're only going to get 12 in the tire. So this sheds a whole new light on whatever I'm doing. I don't know how much that battery was. Shoot, I didn't check the battery to find out how much thing I had. But I've got another tire back there. Let's check. I'll check tire pressure on this one because it's low. As you can see, it's sitting kind of low right there. I'm gonna use this gauge real quick. See what I got. You need to keep air in the tires if you're not driving. You need some in it. Let's say about 12 psi in that tire right now. Let's see, I'll put this on it, see if it reads it. Get to it. I'm gonna read the gauge. You read the gauge. I have to read the gauge. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. It automatically power shuts off. Okay. Then the gauge kicked in. I said about 12. It's about 11. It says 11.1. You see that? About 11.1. It'll automatically shut. It seems to pay, if you don't use it for a little while, it actually shuts off by itself. All right. See, I don't have any set target, so it resets itself. Let's see. You can hold the button down; it'll automatically go up. All right, 40 psi. Take it down about. I think I had the other one at 38 too. These are 40. Alright, I said 12 on mine. It's got 11.9, so we're darn close between the two of them. I noticed if it's disconnected for a little period of time, it'll actually shut down. I set the target PSI for 35 on this one. Oop, I just shut it off. Turn it back on, it still comes back. Target is now gone again. So push your button here and it'll go up. I'm going to set for 35. Oop. 48. Take it down the way you want it. Alright, okay. And the bottom one is run. Okay, she shut off at 35 like I wanted. I just upped it to 36 so you can see that it would restart. And it'll shut down at 36 just like it says it does. And I'll do a quick check with my my other air tire pressure gauge here. Nope, losing air. Yep, we're about 35 right now, especially after I lost a little bit of air pressure in this. So there we go, and I can say that the Kolbalt high pressure tire inflator or air compressor works as subscribed. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share. Catch you on the next Crosby's Tool Time.